Hello viewers, welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and I'm Murphy, your host, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make dosa. Dosa is a word which has been called by northern Indians Tosai. It is called in the south of India. So today I'm going to use both words, dosa batter or Tosai batter, or in Tamil it is called Dosa mavu. So let's see how we can do it. For the ingredients of the dosa, I'll show you the ingredients right now. These are the things that has to be soaked. There are few processes that I will tell you, which is always like traditionally, which is made in the South Indian homes. 2 cups of Idly rice, 1 cup of Urad Dhal, 1 cup of Poha, and 1 teaspoon of Fenugreek seed. If you see the link on the how to make idlis, you will see the same ingredients but without the fenugreek. In this video you will see the fenugreek. So these are the dals and the rice that I showed you earlier, which has been soaked for 8 hours, washed, rinsed, and then it's been soaked for about 8 to 10 hours as I showed you in the previous clip, and this is what we have here right now, and I'm going to show you how to grind it. To start off, the fenugreek seed has to be grounded, so I'm going to save the water and we'll add the fenugreek seeds. A few spoons of Urad Dal and few spoons of the soaked rice. At this point we will just grind without water. To make this you need patience, but the outcome will be awesome. I'm going to add another few spoons of water. The texture of the batter should be fine or very mildly coarse, and it should be this consistency. I got the right consistency, so I'm going to transfer this out. And now I'm going to grind the leftover Urad Dal that has been soaked. This is ready and I'm transferring it. Now I'm going to add the rice. Some of the poha or the flattened rice which has been soaked. The rice is ready. I got the finest paste, the finest grain, which is good. And transferring it out. Now I'm going to do the second batch. And the second batch is ready also, and I'm going to transfer them out. At this point I'm going to add some salt. This is according to your taste. And I'm going to whip it with my bare hands. That is the way that is supposed to be done. And also in the previous video, in the how to make idlis, I also used old cooked rice, like about 2-3 days old, or 3 days or 4 days, doesn't matter, as long as it's not more than a week. So you could use that as well to when you're grinding it, but in this video I did not show all that. So I'm going to mix it with my hands. It's a little messy job, but it's delicious. Please do not use your whisk when you're doing this. And dear viewers, the dosa batter now goes for fermentation for another 8 hours to 12 hours. So I always use a stainless steel pot so that it would be more better off it for the fermentation, and also it will rise, double up, as you see it in the video, in the how to make idlis. So if you are not sure how it looks like, you can always refer to that video, and I will show you. I will come back in the next one. So dear viewers, just for an extra information on this, please place the batter covered in a warm area where there's more heat. So you please place them over there in a big pot, in a stainless steel pot, and you will see the results later. This is the end product after grinding, but it's not completed yet because it has to ferment for at least 8 to 12 hours, and after that your dosa batter is ready to be made dosas. In my next series of the videos, I'll show you how to make different types of dosas that would be delicious in your mouth and which is more heavenly to enjoy it. See you in the next video.